Fellow countrymen, Ugandans, I want to request you to join me and we applaud the First Lady, the mother of this nation, Honorable Janet Museveni, for a job well done. And I want to thank you, the First Lady, for being elected, for your humility, you humble by the African states. And also in Uganda, we love you, we adore you, we respect you, and we say thank you. I pray that you bring sanity to our educational system. Let the glory of UPC reign in Obote's government be back. Because you said this financial year there will be renovation. I request you renovate all these traditional schools. Example like the Kitgum High School, the Lao College, Dr. Milton Obore College, Boroboro, St. Catherine, Sir Samuel Becker Pongduon, Mbache, King College Budu, Gayaza, Muiri College, and others. That would, in one way or another, bring back the sanity if those are done. You shall have brought back patriotism. The selections of all the students, be it for public universities and secondary universities, should be at central level and they should be across the board. This in return, we shall have cadres who shall be patriotic in terms of cultural heritage in all these regional institutions at secondary level, public universities. Why? Somebody from down the road there, Western Uganda, say Mbarara can be in Kitgumai. One from Kitgumai to Karamoja. Culture will be intertwined. They will be the ambassador. The statesmanship shall have been built. At the end of the day, they will stand and protect one another. And that shall be the amazing part of it. Above all, unity shall have been created. I'm happy the government of Uganda has spread it in almost the entire sub-county, the seed secondary schools. But they are mere structures. When shall we have the teachers? And when you look down to primary schools, the ratio of a teacher to pupil should have been 1 to 50 or 55. But in this, you can find a class with 200 pupils to one teacher. Where shall this class be? And government has created class. Now, when you look at any interview, the 100 pupils to one teacher, in other parts there is 50 or 45 or 55 pupils to a teacher. At the end of the day, they should sit for the same interview. What about at tertiary institution? What about at the university institution? Classes have been found, and we have left privatization for private entity to pick up government public schools. They are dying. Now, many 68% of the poor of the poorest, which we are talking that we should uplift them, shall not reach those schools because of school dues. What shall be the balance scale of the workers in Uganda? That means those balance, the 32% will be people at job. At the end of the day, what will it be? Mama, because of you, humility, love, we all respect you. And on the same note, the African states have respected you. His Excellency, the President of this country, Papa General Museveni, is also respected in Uganda, in Africa, and parts of the world. My humble request, Mama, is to request you to tell him that come 2026, he should not pick nomination paper. He goes home when people still like him, and he prepares for us a farewell. And we come to Raketora. We enjoy when that love, dignity, respect is still prom. I say this for God and my country.